Hey! Look at this girl. Look at this girl. What is it? Look, she's right down the boat. Look. What are you doing, bud? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, look at you. You're so sweet. Such a sweet girl. Such a sweet girl. Such a sweet girl. Hey, it's Josh from Sailing Chocolate, and today we are going to take the boat out and we're going to go anchor up in, I think, in Glorietta Bay, do some swimming, do some kayaking, do some paddleboarding. It is absolutely hot today. I think it's about 81, 82 degrees here in San Diego. We're still mid-January, so an absolutely beautiful day. Let's take a quick peek at the boat to see how it looks. There's old Chocolate, spelled with an X. Boat's looking fantastic. I just washed it down yesterday. As you can see, we got the paddle boards on. We have got the kids' kayaks on. Everything is polished up and ready to go, and it's absolutely glass out there right now. Beautiful, beautiful day in San Diego. One of the things I love heading over to Glorietta Bay is going under the Coronado Bridge. So here it is coming up. We love coming to Glorietta Bay in the wintertime because there's very few people that come here, very few boats that come here. So what we can do then is anchor up. We can take the kayaks, we can take the paddleboards right up on the beach. The dog runs around. It's a really, really good time. Feel really, really safe, especially during COVID times like we're in right now.
Come on, baby dog. Come. Here you go.
Looking good.
Thank you.
There they go.
Cheers. Very happy Friday.
Oh, I want that.
No, I want to see photo.
Okay? I want to see that stick. Go get it. Come on, let's go.
Hey, from the beach, Glorietta Bay here. It is warm. It's about 85 degrees. I actually have my shirt off. Natasha's got shorts on. Natasha, say hi. And she is double fisted sucking down my beer. And this beer is amazing. This is Belching Beaver, local North Park. Their mango IPA. Oh my gosh, this thing is amazing. Drink it all the time on the boat. Love it. Cheers to you, Belching Beaver. Another one. Max, what did you find?
2 golf balls.
Yeah, Max went diving for golf balls here at Glorietta Bay. There's a golf course right here. Show us. All right, we're back from the beach. Everybody's tired, everybody's pooped, kids are pooped. Kids are getting showers down below. And then obviously I'm the guy that's cleaning it up. So I gotta get all these on board, clean all this up. But you know, the beauty is this platform. You can come down here, I can shove all this stuff in the bags and then put these boards over, wash them, put them on the deck. So, hey man, I don't mind it because it's absolutely incredible today here in San Diego. So, loving life.
Mom?
We have a runaway kayak. We have a runaway kayak. It's frantic on the boat.
I hope you're taking a video of this.
Are you okay, Mom?
Tasha just fell in the water trying to get in the kayak, and the water's really cold. It's like 59 degrees. So,
That is not
but she's going for a rescue mission.
End of the stick.
You definitely got the short end of the stick. Nice paddle. Where are you going? Tahiti?
You were supposed to be packing, not standing there with a toy in your hands.
What are you doing rescuing kids kayaks?
Well, it's probably because you forgot to tie it.
I'm not tied, I just
Are you
ventured
gonna
off.
catch me?
What?
Are you gonna catch me?
No. See you, bye. Keep paddling. Woo. Back under the bridge. Sun is setting. Here we go.